In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to n8n with a simple HTTP request workflow. We'll start by setting up your LinkedIn developer app. Head to the LinkedIn developer platform and create a new app. You'll be asked for a few basics: an app name, the LinkedIn page you want to associate, a privacy policy URL, and an app logo. Once you complete that, LinkedIn will generate two key credentials for you: a client ID and a client secret. Keep these safe. You'll use them to authorize access to LinkedIn through OAuth and ultimately to generate the access token your workflow needs. Next, open your n8n instance and log into your dashboard. From the main interface, create a new workflow by clicking New Workflow. This will be the canvas where we build the automation that talks to LinkedIn. To make testing easy, add a manual trigger node. This trigger lets you run the workflow on demand while you're setting things up. Once everything is working, you can swap it for a scheduled trigger if you'd like the automation to run on a timetable, but for now, manual is perfect. Now add an HTTP request node. This is what actually communicates with the LinkedIn API. Set the method to GET, and for the URL, use https api.linkedin.com v2me. That endpoint returns basic information about the authenticated LinkedIn user, which makes it a great, low-risk way to confirm your connection is working. Before the request can succeed, you need to authenticate. In the HTTP request node, add an authorization header and set its value to bearer, followed by your OAuth access token. That token is generated after you complete the OAuth flow in your LinkedIn developer app. Treat it like a secret. Don't share it publicly, and consider storing it securely rather than pasting it into plain text if your environment supports that. With the node configured, execute the workflow. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a response containing your LinkedIn user ID, basic profile details, and account-related information. That confirms n8n is successfully connected to LinkedIn. If you see an unauthorized or forbidden error, double-check that your access token is valid and not expired, and ensure your developer app and token have the appropriate permissions for the endpoint. Small typos in the header name or missing the word bearer can also cause failures, so verify the header format carefully. That's it. Your n8n workflow is now talking to LinkedIn through a secure HTTP request, and you're ready to build from this foundation.